We are ready to remove our engine mounts, and then I have to cut out the engine mount where it's welded to the frame. But before doing all that, we have to remove everything that is near it, away from it, so that when I cut, I don't cut into anything, and I can make sure it's nice, clean, and smooth. It'll have a nice metal finish, and then the motor and trans will go right where I'm standing, and that will tell us where our new motor mounts are going to weld to the chassis. And then after mock-up, they'll be hard welded in and then painted nice, neat, and look like $1,000,000. And then everything can start going back together.